Hey there, tech enthusiast. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. But hold on to your remotes, because this isn't just any ordinary streaming device. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this little stick is about to revolutionize your TV experience. From crystal clear picture quality to lightning fast streaming, we're talking about a game changer that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. So, buckle up and get ready for a mind-blowing journey through the future of home entertainment. Now, let's talk about what makes the Amazon Fire TV Stick stand out from the crowd. First up, we've got that sharp picture quality that'll make you feel like you rewrite in the middle of the action. Whether you're binging your favorite shows or catching the big game, every detail pops with vibrant colors and crisp clarity. It's like upgrading your eyes to 4K. But what good is a great picture if you're stuck waiting for it to load? That's where the Fire TV Stick's fast streaming comes in. Say goodbye to the dreaded buffering wheel and hello to instant gratification. This little powerhouse zips through menus and loads content faster than you can say pass the popcorn. Now, here's where things get really exciting. The Fire TV Stick doesn't just give you access to your favorite streaming services. It opens up a whole world of free and live TV. That's right, folks. We're talking about cutting that cable cord and still getting all the content you love, including news, sports, and those addictive reality shows we all pretend not to watch. But wait, there's more. The Fire TV Stick comes with an Alexa voice remote that's basically like having a personal TV butler. Want to find a specific show? Just ask Alexa, need to adjust the volume or turn off the TV. Alexa's got your back. It's so convenient, you might start wondering if Alexa can fetch you snacks too. Spoiler alert, she can't. But we can dream. Let's talk about ease of use for a second. Setting up the Fire TV Stick is a breeze. Just plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect to Wi-Fi, and boom, you're in streaming heaven. It's so simple, even your tech-challenged uncle could do it, no offense, Uncle Bob. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about my existing smart TV features? Well, the Fire TV Stick plays nice with others. It integrates seamlessly with your current setup, enhancing rather than replacing. Think of it as a supercharged upgrade for your living room. To wrap things up, the Amazon Fire TV Stick is more than just a streaming device. It's a portal to endless entertainment possibilities. With its sharp picture quality, fast streaming, access to free and live TV, and the magic of Alexa voice control, it's like having a mini entertainment powerhouse right in your pocket. So, if you're ready to take your TV experience to the next level, the Amazon Fire TV Stick is your ticket to the future of streaming. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some binge watching to do.